Hello all and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to make coconut rice. So without wasting any time, let's get started. 2 finely sliced onions, 10 green chilies, ginger garlic paste, 2 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon, 2 cardamom, cloves and stone flour and Everest garam masala powder. So now it's time for the main ingredient. It's coconut. So now into the blender add all the coconut cubes and now add half a cup of water and blend it. And this is how it looks now. Use a malmal cloth, squeeze it and the thick coconut milk is ready. So now turn on the heat, place a pressure cooker and add oil in it. And once the oil is hot, add 2 bay leaves, 2 cardamom, 1 cinnamon and cloves and stone flour. Sort them all together. And now add finely sliced onions. And once the onions turns brown, then add 10 green chilies. Saute the onions and green chilies for 5 minutes. Now add in some ginger garlic paste, saute them for 1 minute in low flame. So now add some rice. Here I have taken 2 cups of rice. Now mix all the spices with the rice. Now it's time to add our main ingredient, which is coconut milk. For 2 glasses of rice, I'm gonna add 4 glasses of coconut milk. Mix them all together. So now add 2 tablespoons of garam masala powder. I'm using Everest garam masala. Add 3 tablespoons of salt. You can add salt as per your taste. So now it's time to pressure cook the rice. Give at least 2 whistles. And once it's done, take out the lid and you can see that our tasty coconut rice is ready. Transfer the coconut rice into a serving bowl. And the tasty and delicious coconut rice is ready. Garnish the coconut rice with some coriander leaves. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe.